All right, so once you've signed in to Knovio, you'll be led to this page as your starting page. This is where you can upload files from your computer, or you can browse recent files that are already in Knovio to edit and republish. I'm going to just show you the layout quickly here. We've got your account where you can see your stats, your viewing stats. Support transfers you to the Knovio website where you can get more information on how to use Knovio. Manage is kind of the place where you're going to see your presentations, whether they're published, drafts, or archived. One thing to keep in mind, if it's an unpaid subscription, Knovio lets you have up to 3 published presentations, and then after that you're going to have to pay. However, there is a trick around that. You just need to archive a published presentation, and then you've just freed up some more space to make another presentation. Uploads shows you your slides that are in, and then any media that you've popped in, uploaded into Knovio, and then you have your showcase, which is where you can formulate or curate a group of presentations together.